So this morning, very, very early at 5:30, to avoid some of the heat, we went down to one of the main hatchery nurseries, and we spent hours, 4 hours today, approximately 68 person hours, and we cleared off all of the debris off the top of it, dug up the sand to refresh it, and then refreshed it again and put it back in and smoothed it out. The reason we did this is to be able to start using that nursery again with cleaner sand, refreshed sand, because there's been so many turtles laying eggs and the other hatchery is full.
You need to have the hatchery close to the ocean. It makes sense. All the work you got to do, the sand's got to be close. You can't do a lot of, very far away. So it's got to be nearby, but that means it's close to the actual waves, the wave action. And it's so close then that it's going to get eroded if you don't protect it. So you need to have that seawall or some level of protection between the hatchery and the ocean. And it takes a lot of effort, but with the teamwork we got here, it's working out great.
This was their top priority. We accomplished it. We love it. Everybody's happy about it. Everybody worked together so well. The community is just joyful with all the work that we've done today.